Alright, so here we have the Templar X 250 swapped into the Vitacci GTX. What I had to do was take the whole side cover off, swap the flywheel and stator, and then I had to also swap the shifter cables to match up correctly. I tucked it up away, but what I can do is I'll put a diagram of how all of those are supposed to be organized for the gear indicators, because they were all wrong. But here we go. It's in neutral, set up correctly.